from here, I'd like to talk about the research design of this study. We collected data from two groups. One is 233 STEM students, the other is 31 international studies students as a comparison group. And we asked both of the groups of students this one open-ended question as an ideal classmate prompt in the beginning of the semester. This is the question. Please describe a group of classmates that you could learn English well with. And also in the beginning of the semester, we measured quantitatively their English learning motivation. As Joe mentioned, we measure it in 3 month time frame: past, present, and future. And week 4 or 5, in each of our classes, we offered some different types of ideal classmate priming activities to encourage them to share each other's ideal classmate images. In some courses, students were asked to draw pictures of their ideal classmate images, and they shared each other's pictures. In other classes, they had some conversation or group discussion to talk about their own ideal classmate images. At the end of the semester, again, we measured quantitatively their English learning motivation because we wanted to figure out how their English learning motivation changed throughout the semester. Also, at the end of the semester, we measured quantitatively the extent of pro-social peer learning sport engagement, people's engagement. To measure that quantitatively, we asked these 4 6-point Likert scale questions. Question 1, my classmates are helping me to learn English. 2, I'm helping my classmates to learn English. 3, my classmates are helping me to enjoy English. 4, I'm helping my classmates to enjoy English. 1 is not at all, 6 means yes, very much. Students were asked to answer one of the numbers to answer those questions. And in the middle and also end of the semester, we asked one open-ended question to clarify the types of people's engagement. This is the question. In what new ways your classmates are helping you to learn and enjoy in the last few weeks? And we asked this open-ended question in the middle and end of the semester to clarify what type of pro-social peer learning sport engagement they had in each time period. Also, we asked another open-ended question. We call it post-question 19 to clarify the effect of people's engagement. This is the open-ended question. Please describe any changes you have made during this semester in your behavior or attitudes towards your classmates. What influence do you think these changes may have had on your classmates, relationships in and out of class, and your English learning? So students, when answering these 2 open-ended questions, they wrote down many kinds of comments. And we analyzed those qualitative data by a coding technique. And also, we counted the number of each content of semantic segment data to analyze it further. So this is a whole picture of the research design. Is this very beautiful? Okay, now findings. First, I'd like to share the finding on motivation, their English learning motivation. It was found that both of the groups, STEM students and international studies students, they were able to strengthen their English learning motivation throughout the semester. But in the case of STEM students, the increase of their English learning motivation in 3 categories: past, in-class present, and out-of-class present, the increase was statistically significant. On the other hand, in the case of international studies students, the increase of their English learning motivation was not statistically significant. This may be because even in the beginning of the semester, their English learning motivation was already strong. It was such a small increase. That may be one of the reasons why we were not able to recognize the statistical significance. Now, let's focus on those two groups of present income investment. Taking those type of courses, they are so much used to having a lot of conversational communicative activities. So maybe they didn't get much excited. Next, I'd like to share the result of question 5, the types of people's engagement. There's much information here, but the main point here is that it was found that STEM students had more varieties of people's engagement, and these type of people's engagement, like metacognitive suggestion or advice for homework and tests, sharing information or ideas with me in English, and inspiring me. These types of people's engagement. The pro-social peer learning support engagement, people's engagement. The main point here is that it was found that STEM students had more varieties of positive effect of people's engagement. The STEM students created more friendly atmosphere in their English classrooms. And also these types of effects